Good morning. Another lecture on number of signals, and we have 4 compounds. So थोड़ी और प्रैक्टिस हो जाएगी, थोड़े से कंपाउंड और करेंगे इस लेक्चर में. जैसे फर्स्ट कंपाउंड आप देख रहे हो, दिस इज इपॉक्सी कंपाउंड. इट्स नेम इज 1,2-epoxy propane. This thing is called epoxy, like 1, 2, 3. It's 1, 2, 3 means 1,2-epoxy propane. It's a category of epoxy compounds. So now in this compound, you can see that these 3 protons, they are equivalent. They are further attached to same connectivity, same. This proton is different from these 2 and these 2. So this is also chiral, like a chiral carbon. As you can see here, this carbon is connected to methyl this side, hydrogen O, and with CH2 like this. Means 4 different groups are there. It means the adjacent carbon, this one, there are 2 protons. They are diastereotopic protons. So it means they will give a different peak. So total number of peaks are 4. In a second compound again you can see there are 2 methyl group at the end of chain. दोनों side पे methyl है, but these 2 methyls are not equivalent as there is one fluorine. So this carbon is chiral. So adjacent to chiral carbon, if there are 2 hydrogen, these 2 hydrogen are diastereotopic. अगर chiral carbon के adjacent carbon के ऊपर 2 hydrogen हैं, तो वो दोनों क्या होंगे? Diastereotopic. Diastereotopic protons, they give different. They are not equivalent. They give different peak. So it means total number of peaks given by this compound is say A, B, C, D, E. So total number of peaks are 5. C and D are diastereotopic protons. Diastereotopic protons, why they are diastereotopic? Because they are adjacent to chiral carbon. जहां पे fluorine attached है, that carbon is chiral carbon. Okay, move to third. Here you can see these hydrogen are equivalent. This is your B, this is C, this is D, and this is E. All the protons are different. Like B and C, they are different. They have a different environment. You can see on this side of C is methyl. This side means there is a trans. So in this compound, there are total 5 peaks will be there. 5 peaks. Okay. As B and C can be distinguished, connectivity is same, but they can be distinguished that in this side on cis of C there is methyl, on cis of B there is hydroxymethyl group. Now next is this is 2-butane 2-on. So in this compound also all the protons are different. They give 3 peaks. So different connectivity is different. You can see here that A and C both are connected to, C is connected to carbonyl group, but A is not connected, directly connected. B is connected to carbonyl on one side, but another side it connected to methyl, so it is different from C. So all the 3 types of protons are different, so this molecule give 3 peaks. Next compounds are like first one, this is diethyl ether. तो इसमें देखेंगे ये जो 2 ग्रुप्स हैं, like these 3 protons, first these 3 protons they are equivalent. These 3 protons they are equivalent. When you compare these 2 with each other, then you will see their connectivity is same. So these 6 protons they will give a single peak, and these 4 protons they will give a single peak. When you see the peak, so let's write some TMS, de-shielding and shielding. Like suppose this is your TMS peak. Which peak will be towards TMS? कौन सी peak जो है वो TMS की तरफ होगी, कौन सी peak उससे away होगी? Can you think like this? Okay, B. See here, proton B are connected to O. O is more electronegative, so it withdraw electron. So it means electron density is less around the oxygen both side as compared to electron density over these methyl groups. So it means de-shielded methylene groups, these two, they get de-shielded, and methyl group, these 6 proton, they get shielded. So 4 की peaks यहाँ पे आ जाएगी और इसकी peak यहाँ पे आ जाएगी. This is 6 proton A, this is 4 proton B. So your peak will be like this. स्प्लिटिंग हम बाद में सीखेंगे, पहले आपको पोजीशन अप्रोक्सीमेट पता होना चाहिए, कौन सा अप फील्ड जाएगा, कौन सा डाउन फील्ड जाएगा. सी सेकंड वन, दिस इज एसीटोन. In acetone you can see all the protons are equivalent like A. So this will give only one peak. It means this compound give 2 peaks. Compound C, this one is mesitylene. There are 3 protons attached here directly to the ring. These are aromatic protons. Now how you can distinguish? As these 3 protons and these 3 protons and these 3 protons, they are equivalent. These 3 protons, they are equivalent. There are total 2 peaks. एक पीक जो है वो 9 प्रोटॉन्स दे रहे हैं, एक पीक जो है वो 3 प्रोटॉन दे रहे हैं. Okay. Next is isopropyl alcohol. See in isopropyl alcohol, this is here A and A, both are equivalent as their connectivity is same. Both methyl group is connected to CH and then OH. ऊपर वाला भी CHOH से कनेक्ट हो रहा है, नीचे वाला भी CHOH से हो रहा है, तो इसका मतलब ये इक्विवेलेंट है और ये अलग से इक्विवेलेंट हो गया और ये अलग से इक्विवेलेंट हो गया. तो इस केस में भी कितनी पीक्स हो गई हमारी? 3 peaks. So, like in this first example, you must have an idea that कौन सी पीक अप फील्ड होगी, कौन सी पीक डाउन फील्ड होगी, बिकॉज आपको डाटा दिया होता है, तो उस डाटा को पढ़ के आपने स्ट्रक्चर जो है वो डिटरमाइन करनी है कंपाउंड की, और उसमें अप फील्ड जो वैल्यू दी होगी केमिकल शिफ्ट की, उस पर भी ध्यान देना है, कौन सी पीक कहाँ जा रही है. तो इसलिए मैंने थोड़ा सा बता दिया, आगे हम डिटेल में करने वाले हैं नेक्स्ट लेक्चर में. नेक्स्ट लेक्चर से फैक्टर्स शुरू हो जाएंगे, उसके बाद यही आएगा. तो स्प्लिटिंग भी करेंगे, कैसे पीक स्प्लिट होती है. अब ये मॉलिक्यूल देखेंगे, इसमें जैसे फर्स्ट है, दिस इज ईथर, और अब इसमें सिमेट्रिकली हम देखें, अगर ये प्रोटॉन्स और ये प्रोटॉन्स 3 ये और 3 ये दोनों इक्विवेलेंट है. अब इसकी कनेक्टिविटी देखिए, इसकी कनेक्टिविटी इस साइड भी वही है, इस साइड भी सारे का सारा सिस्टम वही है. तो इसका मतलब है ये B हो जाएगा और ये C हो जाएगा. तो दिस कंपाउंड दैट विल गिव 3 peaks. Second, this is one carboxylic acid group is there, and this is CH3 CHCOO, means this ether is there. So how many peaks will be there? Actually, this compound here we have a CH2 group. Now find the number of peaks. So this form a A, this is a B, this is a C, and this is a D. So there are total 4 peaks. Come to this compound. In this compound you can see this is 2-chlorobutane. In this compound, this carbon is chiral. It means these 2 protons which is attached to this hydrogen, this carbon, ये जो 2 protons नजर आ रहे हैं, ये दोनों protons क्या होंगे? Diastereotropic. They will give a different peak. So how many peaks will be there? A, B, C, D and E, means this molecule gave 5 peaks. इसमें गलती के चांस ज्यादा होते हैं, तो इसीलिए इसको ध्यान से करना है। कायरल कार्बन के एडजेसेंट में जब भी कोई कार्बन आता है उसके साथ जो दो हाइड्रोजन अटैच होते हैं उनको हम डायस्टीरियोटॉपिक प्रोटॉन्स कहते हैं, एंड डायस्टीरियोटॉपिक प्रोटॉन्स आर नॉन इक्विवेलेंट। ओके, दिस लास्ट स्ट्रक्चर, this is a cyclic compound. The name of this compound is 1-chlorocyclopropane. Now how many peaks this molecule will give? Say this proton is different from all because chlorine is trans to it, and you can see this 3-membered ring जो propane नजर आ रहा है, that is in one plane. तो प्लेन के ऊपर है ये 3 ग्रुप्स HCl एंड H, नीचे है तीनों H। तो जिसके ऊपर A लिखा है दैट इज डिफरेंट फ्रॉम अदर बिकॉज इसके ऑपोजिट एंड पे क्लोरीन है, और किसी भी प्रोटॉन के ऑपोजिट एंड पे क्लोरीन नहीं है। ये जो है ये दोनों के दोनों इक्विवेलेंट है। इनका आप एनवायरनमेंट देखिए, ऊपर क्लोरीन है एडजेसेंट में दोनों के, लेकिन ये जो नीचे वाले हैं दे आर नॉन इक्विवेलेंट बिकॉज इनके एडजेसेंट में A है, C के साइड में A पड़ा है। अब देखिए ACC रिंग के नीचे, B और क्लोरीन ये रिंग के ऊपर है, तो इसीलिए ये जो मॉलिक्यूल है ये आपको कितनी पीक्स देगा? 3 पीक्स। नेक्स्ट एंड लास्ट पार्ट ऑफ दिस नंबर ऑफ सिग्नल टॉपिक इज दीज 3 कंपाउंड्स। These are polyaromatic hydrocarbons, and like first is naphthalene, second anthracene, and third is phenanthrene. We will see how many NMR signals they will give. Like in first case, you can see there are periphery protons attached here. So these 3 compounds are aromatic in nature. तो अब जैसे इसमें देखें ये सब जगह पे प्रोटॉन्स हैं। Now we will distinguish the type of proton. Okay. How many types of protons are there? You can see. Like these, this proton, and this proton, they are equivalent. First you compare these two, whether they are equivalent or not. They are equivalent. Their connectivity is same. Environment is same. Now compare this with this. They are also same. So these 4 protons, they will give 1 peak, that is A. Other 4 protons, which you can see here, these 4 protons, they give different peak. Like this proton, compare this proton with this, both are equivalent. Then compare this with this, both are equivalent. Then compare this with this, you will get both all are same. These 4 protons, they will give a second peak. So B, and B. So this molecule gave 2 peaks. A की पीक जो है उसकी वैल्यू ज्यादा मींस D shielded, और B की पीक जो है वो टुवर्ड्स TMS होगी। Second compound is here anthracene. In anthracene, first we will mark all the protons, then we will distinguish them. So there are protons attached. This is also an aromatic compound. By using Huckel rule, you can find out that it is aromatic. These are polyaromatic hydrocarbons, very less soluble in water. All these 3 compounds. So that like this is anthracene. Starting from this, you can see this proton and this proton are equivalent, as their environment is same both sides. Both sides there are 4 proton. Exactly they are identical. So they will give a 1 peak A. Move little bit outward. थोड़ा बाहर की तरफ move करेंगे. This proton, and this proton. These 4 protons are equivalent. They will give B. Second peak, and rest 3, these 3 protons, these 2 protons and these 2 protons, they will give another peak. So this anthracene molecule gave 3 peaks. Okay, अब हम मूव करते हैं फिनेंथ्रीन के। तो फिनेंथ्रीन के जितने भी प्रोटॉन्स हैं पहले हम उनको लगाएंगे ऐसे, here is proton, here is proton, so this is also another aromatic hydrocarbon. How many peaks this will give? These are H1NMR peaks, proton spectroscopy. Okay, see, we will start with this. These two proton, they are equivalent. They will give one peak. Okay, environment is same. You can compare one by one. Okay. Now then, this proton and this proton, they are equivalent. Okay. Then this proton, मैं इसके अराउंड स्केयर बना रहा हूँ. स्केयर means both are equivalent. Okay. now black के साथ blue के साथ कर देते हैं. This proton and this proton are equivalent. And this proton and this proton are equivalent. So how many types of protons are there now? A, this is B, this is also B, this is C, this is also C, this is D, this is also D, this is E, this is also E. So this molecule gave you 5 peaks. So this is H1NMR spectroscopy for polyaromatic hydrocarbons compounds.